What's up guys? CYM CYE engine is Volkswagen. Tapos 1.6 ra kani siya, 1.6 nga engine, CYE engine. Problema ni nakita ninyo ni ito na na clearance ang iyang piston, no? See? Kalog na yung piston. Ibig sabihin yan, worn out yung kanyang mga piston rings. So itong cylinder number 4, hindi pa siya masyadong makalugpat. Pag nagpalit tayo ng piston rings, papalitan natin lahat ng piston rings. So obviously i-rebuild natin ito, and then since yung kanyang cylinder bore, yung kanyang liner dito, not too bad, but we need to strip it out, like honing natin. And then yeah, we will take it from there. So first things first, we have to remove all the things here on the inside, like the connecting rod, bearings and everything, pistons and everything, and then i-honing natin. And then once na i-honing natin, bibili tayo ng piston rings, oversized na piston rings, since i-honing natin ito. So i-oversize natin yung piston ring niya, at titingnan na natin na yung kanyang ring gap, piston ring gap is merong kunting differential, so and then yeah, and then na-obserbahan ko nito is yung kanyang crankshaft ring. So ang madugo nito guys, itong crankshaft ring na ito is kailangan by measurement ito, kanyang gap, measured by the gap, and then yung itong kanyang butas dito kailangan naka 12 block. Pagka hindi yan naka 12 block o gumalaw ng kahit kunti, ito siya, o gagalaw ng kahit kunti, hindi siya andar, no? Dahil ito yung kanyang determine sa kanyang timing. Ito yung kanyang sensor, crankshaft sensor. So ang mga ganitong engine na design is mahirap gawin, dahil nga yung mga modern engines, like the newer model, yung kanyang crankshaft timing is nagdidepende doon sa kanyang flywheel, which is a good thing, because flywheel is very easy to install or whatever. But this thing here, this is very difficult, because you need the special tools. It has to be like spot on when you install or when you change the crankshaft oil seal on this one. As you can see, meron siyang tagas, meaning worn out na yung crankshaft oil seal nito. So apart of that, we're gonna have to replace as well this one, and obviously we might need the plan B, kasi ang timing tools to ang crank installation nito is special tools, and the special tools is very expensive. So we might do DIY regarding the installation of the crank seal. Okay. And we will take it from there. So I'm but just we need to be like in mind that these holes here should be on the 12 o'clock. Okay. And pagka na 12 o'clock na ito, mag-a-align siya dito sa kanyang timing marks, which is dito siya. Try natin ikutin kung may ikutan ito kasi masyadong matigas na to dahil nag-seize yung kanyang ano dito dahil wala ng lubrication, no? Walang oil. So ito try natin na ikutin ito. Para ipakita ko lang sa inyo na ganun yung kanyang timing. So remember guys, timing is everything. Let's say you have a very good car, very good chassis, very good body of the engine, and then the timing is bad, that's nothing. So engine speaks everything, no? Timing is everything. So magunsa man ang gwapo kay kagsakyanan, and then yung makina is kalampag ng makina, so walang kwenta. So first things first, pinaka basic, kailangan timing is 100% accuracy. So I have a lot of videos about timing chain, timing belt and everything I have on our channel. So and then ito siya, ito yung mga history natin nung sa beast drive pa tayo, nung sa beast drive tayo, nag-rebuild tayo ng engine sa beast drive, no? So yung kung matatandaan ko pa itong mga ito, mostly ano to, dalawang Volkswagen and then isang Audi na E6 na Audi, itong head gasket na ito. That was on the beast drive. See that? There is Audi in there and there Volkswagen. So this was part of collection na to. Okay. And then yeah, so I'm giving you, keep me update on this one, follow me for more. This is our project for the day. We're gonna rebuild this engine here, and we're gonna make like a monster engine on this one. So yeah, again try natin i-rotate ito. So ang number one piston guys is we start counting from the width, from the belt or the pulleys in here. So we start from here, which is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So this is 4 cylinders, and then we're gonna set up the timing, top dead center, and then we will monitor the crank seal on the other side if it is 12 o'clock position. Okay. Actually mahirapan tayo, hindi natin top dead center to dahil tumukod yung ano dito, yung kanyang connecting rod, so or yung kanyang journal dito tumukod, so trabaho ito, but ano natin, i-top-dead natin para malaman natin yung position ng crankshaft. So yan guys, naka-top-dead siya, top-dead center for TDC, and then see that? So yung kanyang butas is naka 12 o'clock, nakatutok pa rin dito sa kanyang little nut. Okay, so that's how you timing the CY engine on Volkswagen. Remember guys, this is very important. If this holes here, or the timing holes, or the timing marks on crank seal will move, like slightly movement in it, then chances are the engine won't start because it doesn't send signal to the crankshaft sensor for the timing or the firing of the engine. So it has to be like 12 o'clock. And this flat thing here, as you can see, there's no pin, should be here. Like this is like it is 12 o'clock. So this is like 1:30 or 11 o'clock. So 12 o'clock and this is 11 o'clock. Okay. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Follow up for more.